no medication, no surgery, no cream, and no pills, but yet you can make your penis appear bigger at home for free if you follow these tips I'm going to be sharing with you today. Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with a Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips to make your penis appear bigger that you can actually do at home with no surgery, no pills, nothing of such. But before we go into details into this class, if you are new on our YouTube channel and these are contents you are interested in, please click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Mercy Mary saying thank you. Let's go there. All right, welcome back. I know, like millions of men out there, for you to click on this link, you really want to know tips and facts that are going to help you make your penis appear bigger. So the first one I have to share with you is manscaping. Yes, manscaping, trimming that environment. You see those bushes down there, those hair, those pubic hair around your private area, they actually hide a significant amount of the penis shaft. So when you clear that bush around there, you manscape, it helps to like reveal a significant amount of the penis that is hidden. So if you've not shaved, try and shave, then you notice a difference in appearance when it comes to the size and length of the penis. Then the second point I have to share with you is weight loss. Yes, weight loss. For people that are obese and they have high BMI, if they actually want to make their penis appear bigger, it is advisable for them to lose a lot of weight. So if I'm talking to you, you know you're obese or you have a high BMI, you can go to the mirror, lift those abdominal fat, lift those fats around that area up, and you see a significant amount of the penis that is hidden under there. Sometimes most people that are fat, their penis are not likely small, or because of those fats around it, it makes it look small. So embarking on a weight loss journey at home is going to help you reveal the real size of your penis and makes it appear bigger. But some people that are extremely obese and extremely fat, they go for some liposuction that helps them to remove the fat down there and makes it look bigger. So weight loss is also another tip that is going to help you out a lot. So the third point I have to share with you is anxiety. Yes, I know you'll be thinking, why is not Miss Mary talking about anxiety when we are talking about increasing the size of the penis? I'm going to be explaining to you. When one is anxious, when one is stressed out, there's a hormone known as adrenaline. As when adrenaline is released, it constricts the muscles. Definitely, there are muscles in the penis, and it's going to constrict those muscles around there and makes the penis look smaller. So managing your stress, controlling anxiety, avoiding depression, avoiding things that are going to make the release of adrenaline increase is going to go a long way to help you with making your penis looks bigger. Then the fourth point I have to share with you is continue erection. Continue having erection. Yes, when you continue having erection, there is an increased blood flow to the penis. Definitely, the blood flow is going to bring a lot of oxygen, a lot of nutrients to the penis. But if you don't regularly have frequent erection, you don't usually have erection, there's not going to be enough blood flow and also oxygen supply to the penis. That can make the penis look smaller because definitely, the penis is not getting the oxygen it needs. So these are the 4 points that you can actually practice at home to help you increase your penile length. Now, I'm going to tell you the 5th point, which I'm going to be sharing with you. But this 5th point, you are going to be involving or buying something to help you increase it. Then the 5th point I have to share with you have to do with money. I decided to add this 5th point to the 4th point I already listed, so I don't end up making a separate video for this particular point, and that is the use of penis ring or cocks. Yes, penis ring or cocks. What does this do? Actually, let's just assume this is the ring in my hand. So this penis ring or cock is placed at the base of the penis. So when this is placed at the base of the penis, it traps blood flow around the shaft of the penis, making it look swollen, making it look bigger in appearance. But there are cautions when you want to use the spinning ring. You don't have to allow it to stay for longer period of time. Yes, they are good, but you don't have to allow it to stay for long period of time. And you also have to put it correctly, because if you don't use it correctly, if you don't place it correctly, it might likely cause more harm than good. So when it comes to the penis ring or the penile cocks, there are a lot of things that can go wrong. The ring might find it difficult to get out of the penis, and that might either send you to the accident and emergency unit, where you have to meet the doctor and like, oh, sex brought me to the hospital, things like that. And it might also lead to necrosis, which is the death of the penile tissues, if not properly used and if placed for a long period of time. So what I advise generally when it comes to the use of penis rings or penis cocks, please speak with your doctor. I just gave this information. It's not a personal health education to you, it's just a general advice. But speak with your doctor for proper guidance when it comes to the use of penis rings and cocks. But most people that have used it have found it effective, and most of them are happy using it. So these are the various points I have to share with you that can help you increase your penile length, that can make it appear bigger than you think it should be. Yeah. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, this is Nurse Miss Mary saying thank you. Bye and see you in our next video.